Hello, good morning mga boss. This is BossTL again and welcome to my vlog. And today we are going to test out the GPS tracker and remote kill switch that is installed in our NMAX courtesy of JNATS Motoworks. So shout out Boss Jeff and Boss Maki for sponsoring our GPS tracker. So ayun nga, so today what we are going to do is simulate a scenario kung saan we would be parking our NMAX, or we would be leaving our NMAX on the roadside, and someone would be trying to steal our motorbike. So ika nga, someone would be trying to take off with our motorbike, and what we will do is we will be tracking how soon can we retrieve our scooter back. And to help us in our testing today, we have our tropa here, Marlon, our NMAX boys here in Eastview Homes 2. So he will be pretending the one who will be getting our motorbike. So siya yung magnanakaw, ika nga. Okay, so ang mangyayari dito, ang scenario dun is I would be going somewhere else, tapos hindi namin pag-uusapan kung kailan nyo kukunin. So I would be staying in a place, then I would be receiving a text from the motorcycle na, or from the GPS na tipong someone is taking off with our bike, and from there the timer would start and we would try to see how long I would be able to retrieve the motorbike. So hindi ko alam kung saan siya pupunta. Yun ang isa sa titignan natin kung matitrace ko siya. Alright, so we'll start our testing now. Alright, thanks. So andito tayo sa clubhouse ngayon, trying to wait. So hindi natin alam kung kailan kukunin ni Marlon yung motorbike natin. So right now we will receive a text here kung may kumuha man nung ating motorbike. So let's see. So eto, naka-screen record, makikita niyo naman kung may marireceive tayong text. So yun nga. So we're just waiting for an SMS. If you get the SMS, the anticipation is killing us, diba? Okay, we already received a text from the GPS tracker. Someone already took. Tapos pag hindi ka nag-reply, merong alarm. So what we're going to do is do a remote kill switch by sending 555. So yun nga, nag-text sa atin, then nag-alarm na someone is taking off with a bike. So ngayon, nakita naman natin, we got alarmed na nag-a-alarm siya pag tumakbo yung motor eh. So we already sent a 555 message, so we're just waiting for it to be disabled. Okay, so cut off. So ibig sabihin nag-ano na siya, nag-kill switch na siya. So we'll just try to find out kung nasaan yung motor natin. So we log into the GPS. We'll try to find the real-time tracking. So based on here, yung motor natin Teka. So yung motor natin lumalabas nandun sa gate. So diretso tayo sa gate agad. So tumatakbo na siya actually. Okay, so nag-text sa atin. So we'll try to find where our motor is. So yun nga, nasa gate. Nasa gate yung motor. So tama nga. So papunta tayo ngayon doon sa position kung nasan yung motor. Okay, so the clock is ticking. So the clock is ticking right now. Hindi lang tayo nagmadali kasi normally pag nag-alarm yon, magmamadali tayong i-locate yung phone, i-locate yung motor. Pero for this time, since nandito lang naman, we are aware of what's happening. Hindi tayo nagmamadali. Okay? So malapit na tayo. Nakakapagod lang maglakad. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kalayuan kung tutuusin. So let's see. Okay. Alright. Malapit na tayo. Hopefully nandito lang. Ayun, tama. Tama nga. So, ayun yung ating friend. Ano yan? Pa? Saan ka namatayan?
Before makalabas ng gate.
So, before makalabas, ayun, before makalabas ng gate, namatayan na siya. So, tinabi mo na lang dito.
Tinabi ko na lang dito.
So, actually, nakita naman natin, I would actually show it to you. Ito yung position natin. Nandito yung phone. So, alam na natin yung gumagana. Tinry mong tinry mong i-switch on.
Wala talaga.
Wala talaga.
Kill
So
switch talaga siya.
that would prove na effective yung kill switch natin. And paano ba sasabihin nun? It's worth it. We were able to track our motorbike in less than 5 minutes. Kasi I started this video kanina pa eh. Okay, di ba? Actually, nag-a-alarm siya. As in, parang alam yung ganon. Kasi minsan ang text, hindi natin pinapansin eh.
Isang text na parang ganun.
Oo, eto, mag-a-alarm siya ng mag-a-alarm hanggat sagutin mo. So, yun. Effective. What can you say about
Papa-install na ako.
Papa-install. Okay siya. Kung inaalala niyo yung tracking, well, that's beside the point eh. Pero ang importante doon is not to lose your motorbike. Alright?
Safe.
Sige, thank you pre. Thank you pre. Salamat. Hello mga guys. So nakita nyo naman kung gaano ka-effective yung GPS tracker natin and remote kill switch. So sa halagang 2,000, napakasulit siya. Mas sulit siya kaysa sa alarm. Kasi nag-a-alarm din sa phone natin. Ayun nga. So if you're interested with the GPS tracker with remote kill switch, you can have them installed by JNATS Motoworks sa North Caloocan. You could PM their page here. Link in the description below. And also, according to JNATS, this can also be installed sa mga four-wheeled vehicles, sa mga kotse. So, it's not only for motorcycles, but also for cars as well. If you are really interested in protecting your properties, like your vehicles, your investments, so have one installed for a low price of 2,000. Ano pa hinihintay natin? For your safety and your motorbike safety, have one installed. Alright? Thank you guys. Bye for now.